as a measles outbreak spreads across the United States, Oregon officials are now telling parents to prove their kids are up to date on immunizations or keep them home from school. This as we learn more about where the California Disney measles outbreak may have originated, and signs are pointing to the Philippines. Our chief correspondent Jonathan Hunt is joining us live from our West Coast newsroom with more on this. Jonathan?
Jenna, it's not yet a definitive conclusion, but the signs are certainly pointing to the Philippines as health officials here continue to try to pinpoint the source of the outbreak. Scientists studied the measles virus in 30 patients in California, where the outbreak apparently began, as you said, at Disneyland. What they found was that the virus here shares the same basic genetic material as the type most frequently found in the Philippines, where around 50,000 people got measles last year, with more than 100 of those dying. The number of cases here in the U.S. continues to grow, albeit at a slightly slower pace, with the Centers for Disease Control reporting 141 cases in 17 states and the District of Columbia up to February 13. Now, that's prompting officials in some states to take action. In Oregon today, for instance, every child in public or private school has to offer proof that their immunizations are current or they'll be sent home. The Oregon Senate will also hold the first public hearing this afternoon for a bill that would eliminate nearly all non-medical exemptions for vaccinations. And just up the West Coast in Washington state, a similar piece of legislation is already being debated.
It's really bigger than an individual decision. We, as individuals, we need to be responsible for our own health, but we also need to think about how our actions affect those around us.
Now, that is one side of this nationwide debate right now. According to a new Pew survey, the vast majority of Americans agree with those sentiments, but there remains a significant number of parents who choose not to vaccinate their children and who argue mom and dad know what's best for the children, not Uncle Sam. Jenna?
A story we'll continue to watch. Jonathan, thank you.